This is Healsi Natural Mineral Water from Portugal. According to the bottle, the pH is supposed to be 7. Let's pour some water in. Let's pour a little back to the TDS cup because there's too much in the pH cup. First, let's test the TDS level. Turn on the TDS tester, make sure it says 0, and put it in. 93. That is carbon filtered mountain spring water. Now let's test the pH level. Do 2 to 3 drops. Let's stir it a little for a better result. Right now it's around the 7.5. Let's see if the results change if we blow into the water. The results didn't change much. It still seems to be around the 7.5. Now let's test the total hardness. We will be using Waterworks Total Hardness Tester. Let's take out one strip and dip it in the water for 3 seconds without motion. Now let's compare it to the chart. I give this a 40. This is soft water.